In this video, I am going to show you how to create your Zendrop account. Before getting started here, it's important to understand that there's actually two different ways you can create a Zendrop account, and it affects how you are built. 1. Shopify App Store. After creating your Shopify store, you can add Zendrop from the Shopify App Store. Doing this will bill you for Zendrop through Shopify rather than Stripe. If you upgrade to a paid plan at any point, the Zendrop app charge will be included alongside any other apps you're paying for through Shopify. Billing related issues will be a bit slower to process, and they will not be able to manually apply discount codes. 2. Zendrop website, which is more recommended. Creating your account at www.zendrop.com will bill you through Stripe for subscriptions. They have full control of your billing this way and can even apply discount codes manually. Head over to zendrop.com and click Create Your Free Account button. Fill out all of the fields on this page, including a valid phone number for order updates. Congratulations, your Zendrop account is now created. You have few different options here for connecting a store, which you'll eventually need to do. If you already have a store, you can plug into your store URL right away. You can start browsing their catalog right away and connect your store later. You can make use of the $1 a month for 3 months Shopify offer. What are you waiting for? Create your Zendrop account now and start your dropshipping journey with this incredible site. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this.